In today's video, I will be showing you how to manage Cach file option on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines right here and then go to the settings, and next go to this clear cache option. Here you will find a Cach file, so click on manage. Now if you have any Cach file management, you can just select all and clear it. I don't have one. I don't have the Cach files right here. So that's it. That's how to manage the Cach file management on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.